So we have map. What is a map? Map is a collection of key value pin. We have a map. Map is a collection of key value pin. Map is a collection of key value pin where key should be unique, value can be duplicate. Map is a collection of key value pin where key should be unique, value can be duplicate. Then, if you want to create a map, it has to be in the form of map of key comma value. Map of key comma value. Map of key comma value. Example. Create a map. Okay, first we'll try to example 1. Create a map with employee name as key and phone number as value. Create a map with employee name as a key, phone number as a value. So how do you create? Map of string comma create a map with roll number as a key and marked as a value. Create a map with a roll number as a key, marked as a value. Map of integer create a map with account name as a key and annual revenue as a value. Create a map with account name as a key and annual revenue as a value. Create a map with account name as a key and annual revenue as a value. Map of string annual revenues. Create a map with account ID as a key and account as a value. Create a map with account ID as a key and account as a value. Account record as a value. Account means account record. Then how do you create it? Map of ID create account ID as a key and list of contacts as a create a map with account ID as key, list of contacts as value. Account ID as a key, list of contacts as value. Map of account ID is a key, list of contact as a value. Account ID is a key, list of contacts as a value. Create a map with city name as a key and list of places as well. create a map with the city name as a key, list of values as a list of places as a value. Map of thing. Right, boss? This is a map what we are trying to create. Map is a key value pair. Map is a key value pair. So how do you initialize the map? How do you initialize the map? If you want to initialize the map, how do you initialize the map? Map of then we have map of ID comma we have created ID comma account ACC map equal to new map of ID comma account. So this is how we created the map. This is how we created the map. Once you created the map, how to insert the value? Put key comma value. Put key comma value. What is it? Put key comma value. If you want to insert the value in the list or a set, how do you insert? We used to use add. List dot add element, set dot add element. Similarly, in the map, if you want to insert the element, we will use a method called put. Put is the method which is used to insert a new element into the map. So what is this put? This method will be used. This method will be used to insert a new element into the map. This method will be used to insert a new element into the map. This method will be used to insert a new element into the map. This method will be used to insert a new element into the map. Map equal to new map of string comma string. How you put the element? Student map dot put. We are inserting the elements like this. Map dot put Prasad value. Putting the value. How to get the value? If you want to get the value, in the list if you want to retrieve the value, how will you retrieve the value? In the list if you want to retrieve, list dot get of index, list dot get of 1, list dot get of 2. If you want to retrieve the value from the list, we will fetch using index. List dot get of index, list dot get of index. We are fetching the data based on the index. Now here we have map of employee map. What I'm doing, employee map dot put. This is how we are putting. Employee map dot put key comma value. Employee map dot put key comma value. Putting the values in the employee. Then you want to retrieve. What type of value we have? Decimal. Decimal A equal to map dot get off. Employee A. This is how we are getting the data. Employee map dot get off. Employee map dot get off. Hurry. If we give the key, we get the value. Give the key, we get the value. Give the key, we will get the value. Similarly, we have third one. Key set. Key set. This will return set of keys from the map. Key set. This will return set of keys from the map. Key set. This will return set of keys from the map. Key set. This will return set of keys from the map. Key set. This will return set of keys from the map. So created emp dot put Kiran value, emp map dot put Hari value, emp map dot put Ravi value. Then you want to get all the keys. Keys are in the form of what? String. All the keys are in the form of what? String. What I'm going to give? Set of string is equal to emp map dot key set. emp map dot key set. emp map dot key set. So set the value. Set of values. Employee map dot key set. Set of keys. Set of keys. When you say set of keys, what we are going to get? System dot debug. Set of keys. Set of keys. Setting the values. 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 This will return list of values. This will return list of values. Values are in the form of what? Decimal. So you are supposed to get list of decimal value is equal to system dot debug values. Map of string comma decimal emp map. emp map dot key set of values. emp map dot values going to give you list of values. Then we're going to have contains. This will return true if the map contains. This will return true if the map contains given key. This will contain true. This will return true if the map contains the given key. What I'm giving here. Contains. This is how we have treated. Contains key. If contains key, true. Doesn't contain the key, false. Contains key, true. Doesn't contain the key, false. I hope you are clear. So, if you want to remove all the elements from the map, EMB map dot clear. This will remove all the elements from the map. This will remove all the elements from the map. What we have here? Put the element into the map. Get the element into the map. Key set. Get the set of keys. Values. When you say values, get me the list of values. Contains key. If the map contains key, returns you true. Clear. Remove all the elements. Clear. Remove all the elements. Clear. Remove all the elements. Are you clear about this format again? Right. What was this? Put, get, key set, values, contains key, clear. Right. Based on this, I want to build some examples. I hope you are clear with these methods. People have followed these methods. Now let us build some examples here. What is the example? Create a list of accounts and add the values. B. Create a map. Create a map with account name as a key and industry as well. Now create a list of accounts. Add the values to the list. Create a map with account name as a key and industry as a value. With account name as a key and industry as a value. Create a map with account name as a key and industry as a value. With account name as a key and industry as a value. Start creating this map. Everyone start at list of account. Then I'm giving one by one account A1 equal industry. Giving account to input. This is how we created. Then we are getting a list of accounts. We are getting a list of accounts. Now what I ask you to do? Create a map. String comma string. Map of string comma string. AC map dot put. So what I was supposed to do? I was supposed to create a map for ACC map dot put. ACC dot put a dot name comma a dot industry. This is how we created a map. Took one by one record from the list and we inserted the map. Next. Today, list of opportunities. With name, create a map with opportunity name. The map with opportunity name as key. Closed it as well. Start. So when you are creating a list of opportunities, list of opportunity after list equal to new list of opportunity. Then I was supposed to create opportunity one dot name opportunity one dot change name use date dot instance then add to the list. Opportunity this is one dot this is how we created. Now I asked you to create a map of opportunity name comma opportunity date, opportunity stage name as a value, map of string comma close date as a then they told for operator P after list. What you are supposed to stage name dot right. What you are supposed to P dot name comma P dot name comma P dot. So we got it. P dot name, P dot stage name. Opportunity name as a key, opportunity stage name as a value. Opportunity name as a key, opportunity close date as a value. This is how we have created the map. This is how we have created the map. Created a map with a key value pin. If you want to get all the opportunity names from this, I want to get all the opportunity names. Get all the opportunity names. How will you get all the opportunity names? If you want to get all the opportunity names, set off string stage map. Get me all the stage names. Fetch all the stage names. They fetch all the stage names. List of string. Fetch all the close dates. Date map. This is how we are creating. Map of key value pair where key should be unique, value can be duplicate. If you want only the keys, key set. If you want only the values, okay, values. If you want to get a value of particular element, map dot get off key. Map dot get off key. I hope you are clear. Okay. Now I want to build one quick requirement. Look at the requirement. I want to create this requirement. So everyone is able to create the map. Is that was clear for everyone? People who followed how to create the map. Is that was clear for everyone? Everyone has clear idea about how to create a map now? Clear for everyone? Is it clear? Right, boss?
Satish, can you please brief once again? Just a brief on map.
Map is a key value pin. So key should be unique, value can be duplicate. So when I keep putting the value, key comma value. If you want to retrieve this value based on the key, I'll be retrieving it. So if you want only the keys, I'll say map dot key set. When I say map dot key set, only names will come. I told fetch all the opportunity names. Opportunity name was taken as what? Key again. Opportunity name, opportunity stage name. So if you want to get all the opportunity names, we say key set. When I say key set of keys will come. What are the keys in my example here? In this example, my set of keys are opportunity names. Then I want only the values. If you want only the values, value can be a duplicate. So we will be getting what? List. If you want to get the values only, map dot values. When you say map dot values, it gives you list of values from the map. Only it is going to give you list of values. It is going to give you only list of values. Right, boss? So So what we have given, map is a key value pair. If you want to insert the data, we will insert the data in the form of key comma value, where again Ram is the key, 1111 is the value. Ravi is the key, 2222 is the value. Alright. Then, if you want to get the value from the map, already we have this map. From this map, I want to follow the value of Prasad. What is the salary of Prasad I want to find out. If you want to get the salary of Prasad, map name dot get of Prasad. If I give map dot get of key, we are going to get the value. Then we have key set. When you say key set, set of keys. It is going to give you set of keys. What are the keys we have? Kiran, Hari, Ravi. When you say key set of keys will come. When you say key set of keys will be given. Set of keys. Then we have values. When you say values, list of values. Only values will be given. What is that? 1111, 2222, 3333. Contains key. We need to verify whether the given key is in the map or not. Whether the given key is in the map or not. So here we have clear. Remove everything from the map. Right, boss?
Yeah, thanks.
We need to go for a schema for asking, creating this. We need to go for a schema. So please ask the question straight away so that others can also hear the question. Now, let us go to the next one. Right, boss? Here, I want to create a quick example. Look at the point. I have object. I want to create a quick list with object. Now here, object names will be displayed. Like account, contact, opportunity. Then, if I select account object, account fields should be displayed. Whichever the object I am selecting, that object field should come. So, initially what are the fields? None. If I select account object, account field should come. If I select contact object, contact field should come. One account will have list of fields. One contact will have list of fields. Now, based on the account, based on the object, I want to get the corresponding fields. Generally, how will you store the data? Object name, fields. Object name, fields. So, object name is account. Fields like name. This is how we got. Object name with the corresponding fields. Object name with the corresponding fields. When you say object name with the corresponding fields, it is what? String. What are these? List of. Can I put them in a map? If I give a key called account, corresponding fields will come. Can I put them in a map? Where name of the object is a key, list of fields are the values. So I will create a map with object name as a key, list of fields as a value. So let us see this example. So I'm going to give map example. So suppose you create a public map of string. How many picklist fields we require? How many picklist? One picklist for object, one picklist for fields. One for object, one for fields. Public, stop, We got object fields. We have public map of object map equal to map of objects. This is how we create it. Then I am creating first none option. Select option. Pick list option. Item label, item value, comma, item label. We already seen how to get a pick list. Item label, comma, item value. So item value, comma, item label. So we are giving objects dot add. This is how I created. Till here, anyone has any query? We just created two pick list fields, added none option to the field. So till here, let me create VF page. A block section. Label. Select list. Size equal to 1. Select options. Value equal to what is the option I created? The same I am creating here one more time. I will give you got none and none. Object fields. Basically, we created a pick list here. No objects, no fields. Then, right boss, two pick lists I created. Now what I'm doing in the map, I was trying to insert the value. First, list of string account fields equal to list of contact fields equal to new list of last name. List of we have created this. Then what I'm doing was, once you have created this, I was supposed to put the values in the map. Object map dot put. What? account fields, contact fields, and opportunities. We created a map with the following values. Then what you are supposed to do, boss? Get all the object names. How do you get all the object names? This is a map. All this is what? Map I created and I set the values. Now I want to display a list of object names. Where are the object names in this? All the object names are in the form of keys. So you are supposed to get the keys. Is equal to object map dot. Now we got set of keys. Once you got the set of keys, what I can do? Take one by one key. Take one by one key. First key is account. Second key is contact. Third key is opportunity. So, the moment I call a constructor, whatever the keys are there in the map, I am fetching those keys, creating a pick list. Let us go back and see. But what is happening? Both the sizes are not coming equal. The UI is not proper, right? So, you can look at this. Go to the objects. But UI is not coming proper. So, what I was supposed to do? I was supposed to create style. With ID pixel. Select list, style class, now we have, so both of them came equal, right? So now what I was supposed to do? Whenever I select the object, whatever the object I have selected, based on the object I have to get the fields. How to get the fields from the object? We already have a map. In the map, if I give object name, we are going to get list of fields. Public string. What I'm going to give here. Public. So what I'm doing was list of. When should I get? What is the guarantee that you have selected a field object name? You might have selected none also. Because in the pick list we also have none option. You might have selected none also. What is the guarantee that you have selected this? You have to suppose. First, whatever it is, first remove fields dot remove all the options from the fields. The moment I change account to contact, when I change from account to contact, first account field should be removed from the list. Remove the account fields, then you have to add contact fields. So that's the reason I am doing what? Clear. Then what I am doing? Check if what I am doing? If selected equal to none, if you selected a none value, if selected not equal to none, if selected not equal to none, then you are supposed to get a list of something. Field names equal to object map dot get off. Object map dot get off selected. Then you take one by one. Fields dot add. So what did I do? Was whatever the object you selected, based on the object, get the fields. Once you got the fields, take one by one field and get a pick list option. Now what I'm doing was, whatever the object he has selected, based on the object, get the list of fields. Based on the object, get the list of fields. Create a pick list option for every field and save it. Meanwhile, I'll save it here. When should I call this? Value equal. Whenever the object changes, effects, action, support, event, action equal to render problem with saving this program. If I cancel now, it may block the error operation. Let's have a preview. Got it? Account. Got name, industry, phone, rating, contact, last name, first name, phone. So what you are supposed to do? Remove the old values, add the new values. When you select none, you will get only. So because there is a possibility of selecting none also, that is the reason I have given condition for none. Right. This is our first format. Now, how do you make the pick list as a multi-select pick list box? How do you go pick list as a multi-select pick list? Instead of size equal to 1, I will not disturb that box. I will get one more item. How to make the pick list as multi-select? I will give multi-select. Multi-select equal to. Simply make the field as multi-select equal to. Then when it is a multi-select equal to true, I was supposed to give a size. Then I was supposed to give here. Go back to this. This is talking about it. Right. Now, what you are supposed to practice now? The basic example I have done. What you are supposed to practice? This is your practice now. You got a multi-select. Whatever the object you have selected, based on that, you got a field. Create one more field here. Now, you are supposed to practice this. You got the field's name. Then, if I select these two fields, click on this button, remove them from here. If I select this field, click on this button, remove from here. Multi-select. This you are supposed to achieve. Try from your end how to achieve this. We'll see it in the next section. So basically, I hope you got the theme of this map concept. Is a collection of key value, right? When you are frequently retrieving the data, if you store the data and frequently retrieve the data, it will be easy if you store the data in the map. So retrieval will be very easier in the map compared to the list and set. Because the list, if you want to fetch the data, you have to find out the index. In the set, we cannot search, okay, we cannot fetch the element based on index also. We will take one by one element and search. But if you take a map, we have a key value pair. Okay, so directly we can make a search based on the key, get the values. Are you clear about the format?